Here is my cheap Chinese mouse. As you can see, it's a gaming mouse. It's very cool, I use it every day, but the click stopped working properly. If I press it, it clicks, but doesn't actually activate the button. So we're gonna take it apart and see what's wrong with that stupid switch. Come on. Oh, two more screws. Oops, that's gone. So we have a problem with the right click, the left click. Let's see with the multimeter in diode mode if it actually doesn't click. Or is it an electronics issue somewhere else? So, like that. Multimeter. Hey. Okay. Now let's see. It only has two soldered feet. And if I press the button, it goes. It has a resistance if I press it gently. And if I press it all the way, it goes to 0. Interesting. It must be some sort of corrosion inside. Or dirt got in. Let's see. It seems to be working. It's not misaligned. But it's not making proper contact. That's interesting. Let's see with the multimeter again. Okay. This one and that one. Wait. Like that. And how do I press it? Arr. It seems to be working. Maybe this plastic thing doesn't press on it right. That's interesting. Maybe I should get another one. Another top. It has an odd shape here. Let's see. I have a mouse here somewhere. Oh yes. Good old-fashioned PS2 mouse. Perfect donor. Yes. Let's steal a cap. Oh, come on. Come off. Okay. Right. So let's put it in place. This is a cheaper switch, but I don't think it will matter. At least it's brand new. Come on. Hey, go in there. This has a different bottom. It doesn't get interrupted, the surface, while this one just pushes the sides. See, it has a ridge here and it pushes only on the sides. Maybe it will be better. Let's see. But first, let's spray in some contact spray. Okay. Just to make sure. It fits. It clicks. It does click. Perfect. Let's push it some more. And then let's test it. there, and if I press it, it instantly connects. Maybe that stupid piece of plastic was the problem. Okay, now I'll reassemble this stupid mouse and it will be perfect.